most important and talked concept, FVG, fair value gap. That would boost your day trading. So I'm gonna give you four simple points. First is what is fair value gap. Second is how do we mark and use fair value gap. Third, why is it so important? Fourth one is actually the bonus where I'm gonna give you a free automatic tool to mark fair value gaps, and that too on TradingView. So let's get started. A fair value gap is a price created by a rapid market movement. To identify, we look for three candles, a significant candle that has a gap on both sides. In this case, this is the candle which will give us the fair value gap. What it indicates is there is a imbalance between buyers and sellers. So how do we mark it? So if this is my candle, which was a smaller candle and it squeezed up, it created this gap, and then there was a red bar. So this will be my block. So this is my fair value gap on the bullish side. So if I go on this side, I will say this is my fair value gap on the bearish side. So if you recognize that there is a fair value gap, this allows you to identify the potential entry. So this will be my order block. If we see a bullish fair value gap, we anticipate that the price would return back to this level, providing an opportunity to enter a trade. Now you can do the risk management as well. So if you're entering a trade here, you will keep your stop loss below this fair value gap. Simple. And now if you're entering a trade here, you will at least expect to take a profit next time when the prices are going up to touch this block. Now after that, it might reject or make a new high. So this is why using a fair value gap is important, because it's giving you an opportunity to enter a trade and book some profit. Monitoring these gaps will help you make informed trading decisions and manage risk effectively. Let's move to the fourth point, bonus. For those who are not using Webull or other paid platforms, I have a free and automatic tool to make fair value gaps, and that's available on TradingView. Many of you might be familiar with this platform, right? In its free version, you can use only two indicators. I recommend using LuxAlgo fair value gap and LuxAlgo swing highs and lows. So as you see on my chart, it is automatically creating the fair value gaps for me, also marking the low and high on the chart. So it's pretty easy. You don't have to do it manually. So you just put the indicators and voila, everything is done for you. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Happy trading.